Now, number 8 on my list is for people that are looking for a multi-purpose skin barrier body lotion. That is a body lotion that will moisturize your skin, heal your skin barrier, protect your skin barrier, firm up your skin, smoothen up your skin, and give you anti-aging properties all in one. If your skin is itching you, if your skin is turning red, or if you have skin barrier damage, or you have green veins, or your skin is looking dull, or you used a particular lightening cream, or you over exfoliated your skin, you feel like your skin barrier has been damaged, your green veins are popping out, you need a body lotion to repair your skin, then today's video is for you, because I'm going to be giving you my best recommendation for body repair products that will repair your skin, heal your skin, and help you to get rid of those green veins, that redness, stop that skin itching that you are experiencing right now. Do you know that sometimes your skin is dull, your product is not working? It can be that your skin is asking you for repair healing body lotions. It might not be that your skin needs another lightening cream, your skin needs another brightening cream, another set, another routine. No, it can simply mean that your skin is just yearning for some certain kind of product, ingredients, formulations that will help to repair it, and then it will just shine. Not every time you want to brighten your skin, you'll go and look for lightening product or brightening product. Sometimes try using skin repair product and you see that your dull skin will get revived. So these products I'm going to talk to you about today, they are not just for people that have skin issue. If you look at yourself, you are scrubbing your skin, you are using your lightening cream, you are using your lightening oil, yet that your skin has refused to skin, try one of these lotions. Try to repair your skin barrier. Try to give back to your skin, hydrate, moisturize, replenish, nourish. That your skin is going to revive by force, by fire. So that brings me to number 1 on my list. And this number 1 on my list, honestly, if you can afford it, go for it. Because this is a body lotion that is so good. I have not seen anyone use it and had any complaint. That is the Illiyoon Ceramide Ato lotion. Now, this particular body lotion is made for people with sensitive skin. That is why it is good for people that have body itching. If you know you have body itching, like you've tried different products, anytime you use it, your skin is itching you. It can be that your skin is super sensitive, or it can be that your skin barrier is damaged. Now, this is a lotion that helps to work for these two things. Whether your skin is super sensitive, you can use this product. Whether your skin is damaged, you can use this product because it is suitable for sensitive skin. It is fragrance free, it is paraben free, it is silicone free. This is a vegan product. It is super lightweight, but it is super moisturizing. Like Illiyoon just did a very great work with this product. Most times you believe that, oh, a cream has to be thick on the skin before it can be moisturizing. It is not Illiyoon. Illiyoon is lightweight, but it is super moisturizing and hydrating. If you're having dry, cranky skin, like you're having aging skin, nothing seems to elevate and plump your skin, try Illiyoon. Try Illiyoon. It is so good, so hydrating. They have the face product too. Do you understand? But one issue I have with a lot of Africans is we are so bent on lightening, brightening that we neglect all of these very good products that actually give our skin what it really needs. Because trust me, no matter how yellow, bright, white your skin is shining, without looking healthy, people will not appreciate your skin. Or your skin has to give, it has to be plump, it has to be yummy before that yellow and white skin you are looking for will make sense. So this is first on my list for you. This is a product of South Korea, so it is a Korean product. And you know, anything Korean, they don't play with hydration and moisturization, because honestly, that is the foundation to a very good skin. So you can buy this product, as I said, if you have skin damage, if you have itching, if you have green veins, sensitive skin, go for this particular one. This number 2 on my list is for people that are on a medium budget. You're on a medium budget and you need something you are going to use to repair your skin. You use a particular lightening lotion and it's damaging your skin. You are beginning to see green veins. Your skin is just looking very damaged, like you feel like your skin barrier needs repair. Go for this particular one. It is the Prolab Ceramide body lotion. This is not really, it can be affordable for some people, it can be pricey for some people. Now, this has ceramide, niacinamide, and botanical lipid. All of these products have similar ingredients. The only difference is the grade, the quantity, and all of those things, and the variations of the ingredients they contain. Do you understand? And once you come to skin repair, the ingredients are not much. You are dealing with ceramides, niacinamide, peptides, and botanical extracts. Do you understand? So that's the same thing that this particular product repair. This Prolab is very, very good. It's also a new product, not so new, sha, but yeah, some people are just getting to know it. But Prolab Ceramide Repairing Body Lotion is so good. So this is another option for you to get, just in case you don't see Illiyoon, because you don't just see Illiyoon. Not every random store stocks Illiyoon. So, but if you don't see Illiyoon, go for Prolab. Prolab is also very, very nice. Now, the third on my list is a product made with 96.5 natural gel cream. This is a product that I love, and that is the Q plus A Ceramide body lotion. This body lotion is super lightweight and moisturizing. Now, I will recommend this for people that if maybe you have oily skin, you don't want something that is heavy on your skin, go for this particular one. As I said, it is made with 96.5 natural gel cream. So that is tell you it's lightweight, it's jelly like in as much as it's a cream, but it has this slippery feel, this silky feel on the skin. It doesn't overweight your skin, but it still gets the job done. It has squalane, which is super hydrating to the skin. So this is more on the hydrating part. If you know your skin lacks hydration, go for Q plus A skin barrier body lotion. It is so good, and it's also repairing to the skin because it also has ceramides. It also has an interesting kind of ceramide. That is a ceramide that is derived from pineapple. It also has sugar complex. So this is a very, very good cream. Now, the fourth skin repair, skin moisturizing, skin nourishing product that I have for you is this one from Ceramedx. The Ceramedx Natural Ceramide Therapy Body Lotion. This particular one, you can use it for your face and for your body because it has clean ingredients, amazing ingredients. It is 100% vegan, gluten-free, fragrance-free. Do you understand? So it has safflower oil, glycerin, shea butter, sunflower seed oil, dimeticon, ceramide, soya oil, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera. Like, it has a lot of amazing ingredients. This is a restoring body lotion. This is that body lotion that if you buy, you always repurchase it because of the way it feels. It is a thick cream, but it is not heavy. That's how you can use it for your face and body. This particular one is also good for aging skin. Like, you are having that dryness on your skin, okay, you can absolutely go for this particular one because it is a very, very nice body lotion. Now, the fifth one on my list is from Cosmo, and that is the Cosmo Restoring Ceramide Body Lotion. Now, this one has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and botanical extract. So this one is for people that are on a budget. It's somehow affordable. It's somehow affordable, okay, but it still gets the job done. Now, the sixth on my list is a particular product that has 10% glycerin. For a product to have 10% glycerin, you know it is going to be so hydrating to the skin. That is, it is hydrating, helping to retain water on your skin and also attracting water into your skin. It is so good. That is the Mixa Ceramide Protect Body Lotion. This one is affordable. If you are in Germany, Italy, okay, you are going to find this product a lot that place. This is so nice. It is an affordable product that gets the job done. Like, it is a brand that likes to give affordable products but still give quality ingredients in return. Do you understand? So it has 10% glycerin, and as I said, it has squalane, and it also has ceramide, and this particular one can be used for face and body. It is so good. It is so hydrating. It is so moisturizing. This is a product that is going to hydrate and moisturize your skin, keep your skin away from dryness. If you have skin damage, skin itching, whatever it is going to help to repair and restore your skin. The seventh one on my list is the Reamide Ceramide Lotion. Now, this one has a thick consistency. It also has ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So I'm just giving you all of this body lotion so that in case, based on your location, because I know people watch me from all over the world. Do you understand? So it's not like this one is better than this one. All of these products are good. All you just need to do is take this list and check for the one you can find in your location. Do you understand? So this one also is also very, very nice. You can use it for your face and for your body. Now, number 8 on my list is for people that are looking for a multi-purpose skin barrier body lotion. That is a body lotion that will moisturize your skin, heal your skin barrier, protect your skin barrier, firm up your skin, smoothen up your skin, and give you anti-aging properties all in one. That is our number 8. And that is the Inkey List Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturizer. Anything Inkey lists, when it comes to moisturizing, when it comes to hydrating without overwhelming your skin, give it to Inkey list. They are very good at it also. Okay, so as I said, this particular product is so good. It moisturizes, it heals, it plumps your skin. Okay, so this is a moisturizer. You can actually, this is for face and body, but most people just buy this for their face, honestly, because it is just so good and it comes in a small cup. So, but you can also use it on your body. So, but you can get this for your face and your neck, for face and neck. Do you understand? So it is very, very, very amazing to repair your skin, to lift your skin, to give you that plump. You notice that your skin is no longer firm. You're having this saggy skin, wrinkles, fine lines, your necks are looking old. Get this particular moisturizer and you are absolutely going to love it. So this is everything I have for you on our list today. If you have questions, concerns, leave them in the comment section. Any of the body lotions you have used or moisturizers you have used, let us know in the comment section. Your comment means a lot to me. Okay, so thank you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one or on WhatsApp for those of you that will come for personal skin consultation.